Stanley Cup parade. I'm gonna start today out at Civic Center Park, obviously. We'll just see where the day takes me. How's the DNVR family? Oh yeah, okay. That answers a lot of questions for us. How you doing so far?
I'm fucking buckled, buddy.
Oh, Nathan fucking
20 seconds, yeah. That's why Henry's like, we got
I mean, despite that being an awesome spot next to the stage for all the speeches, I don't know if we could actually see like the trucks going by. So I'm gonna go find a spot where I can actually watch the parade. On 15th Street. This is sort of before the start of the parade. It's technically supposed to start down at Union Station, but it looks like they're gonna drive right by here, so might as well see the Avalanche. There is no way I'm getting through all these people back to where DNVR is up at the front, but that's fine. I'm amongst the Avs fans, and there are a lot of Avs fans. And at 1 p.m. sharp, the parade is over. Avalanche still up on the stage, celebrating their trophy win. I hope they don't leave until, I don't know, September. Championship is back in Denver. It's gonna be a great summer.